Imagine this. You're asleep, lights off, phone on silent. And while you're resting, money is flowing into your accounts automatically. No alarms, no rush hour, no manager breathing down your neck. You wake up richer than when you fell asleep. Sounds like a dream? It's not. This is the power of passive income. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money while you sleep, using real-world strategies that work. We'll break down practical passive income streams, from investing and automation to online businesses and digital assets, and show you how to start building cash flow without quitting your day job. I'll also show you how to maximize your tax savings, grow smarter with tools like SoFi, Fidelity, and Robinhood, and protect every dollar with TurboTax, H&R Block, and Keeper Tax. Stick around to the end because I'll give you a bonus strategy that most people overlook, but it could be the most powerful way to build wealth in your sleep. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money you earn without active ongoing effort. It's different from your 9-to-5 paycheck or your freelance gig. Instead of trading time for money, you build systems, investments, businesses, or digital assets that pay you over time. Here are some examples. Earning dividends from stocks, collecting rent from real estate, selling digital products like ebooks or online courses, running affiliate websites that generate commissions 24/7. The key is leverage, using money, time, or technology to scale your income beyond your direct involvement. But before we explore the strategies, let's talk about the mindset shift you need to make this work. Most people focus on active income. Clock in, get paid. Clock out, money stops. Passive income flips that script. You may work up front, build something once, but then the returns compound. Over time, you earn money continuously, even when you're traveling, sleeping, or taking a break. Comment below, what would you do if you had an extra $500 per month in passive income? Travel? Pay off debt? Save more? I want to know. Let's start simple. Cash flow starts with managing cash smartly. Even your emergency fund can earn passive income if it's placed correctly. Platforms like Chime and SoFi offer high-yield savings accounts that let your money grow while you sleep. Chime's savings account offers automatic roundups and competitive APYs. So even when you buy a coffee, you're putting money aside and earning interest. SoFi goes a step further. With SoFi checking and savings, you can get up to 4.6% APY with no account fees, and they even help automate your savings goals. Check the links in the description to sign up with Chime or SoFi. Many offer sign-up bonuses for new users. Free money to start your journey. Even though this won't make you rich overnight, these tools are foundational. They make your cash work harder, without risk. Now, let's get to the big leagues. The stock market has made more millionaires than any other investment tool. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you create residual income streams that pay you quarterly or monthly, even when you're not watching the markets. Enter Fidelity, Robinhood, and SoFi Invest. These platforms make investing accessible and automatic. With Fidelity, you can build a diversified portfolio of blue-chip stocks, REITs, and ETFs, and even reinvest your dividends automatically. Robinhood simplifies the process with fractional shares, making it possible to invest with as little as $1. They also offer recurring investments, so you can automate your deposits weekly or monthly. SoFi Invest is great for beginners. It offers robo-advising, educational resources, and no commission fees. They even let you invest in IPOs before they go public. Strategy: focus on dividend growth stocks. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola. These giants have paid dividends for decades, and they often increase payouts every year. Let's do the math. If you invest $10,000 into a fund yielding 4% annually, you'll earn $400 a year. But if you reinvest those dividends, the compounding effect accelerates. Question for you: are you currently investing? If yes, what platforms do you use? Fidelity, Robinhood, SoFi? Drop your favorite in the comments. You don't need to own rental property to earn real estate passive income. Thanks to platforms like Fidelity and SoFi, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. These funds own and manage income-producing real estate, and they're legally required to pay out 90% of their profits to investors. That's passive income in the form of dividends, often 4 to 8% yields. If you want more control, you can look into real estate crowdfunding platforms. But for true money while you sleep vibes, REITs are the simplest way to tap into rental income without tenants or toilets. Some popular REIT ETFs include VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, SCH, Schwab US REIT ETF, FREL, Fidelity Real Estate ETF. Pair these with your brokerage on Fidelity or SoFi, and you've got a set-it-and-forget-it stream of income. And y'alls. Want a detailed breakdown of the best dividend REITs this year? Smash that like button and comment REIT, and I'll drop a full guide. Let's pivot to scalable online income. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or stock photos can generate thousands of dollars in passive revenue if done right. Imagine, you write an ebook once, upload it to Amazon Kindle or Gumroad, market it through your blog or YouTube channel. Every night, you get emails saying you made a sale. That's real passive income. The trick is automation. Use email marketing platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp. Automate course delivery with Teachable or Thinkific. Accept payments 24/7 using Stripe or PayPal. You can even sell Notion templates, budgeting spreadsheets, or AI prompts for side hustlers. Pro tip, bundle your product with a financial tool. For example, offer a budgeting course and include your SoFi referral link to earn affiliate commissions. Have you ever bought a digital product online? What was it, and did it help you? Affiliate marketing is the ultimate sleep money machine. You build content, like blog posts, YouTube videos, or Pinterest pins, and link to products. When people click and buy, you earn a commission. Let's say you review Chime, Robinhood, or TurboTax on your blog. Someone Googles Best Beginner Investing App, finds your post, clicks your link, and signs up. You earn $10, $50, or more, sometimes recurring monthly. Now multiply that by hundreds of visitors per day. Niches that crush it in affiliate marketing include personal finance, tools like TurboTax, SoFi, Fidelity. Productivity, apps, planners, courses. Health and fitness, supplements, routines. Tech and AI tools, apps like ChatGPT or Jasper. Want to know what's the key? It's search engine optimization plus value. Make your content rank, solve real problems, and earn passively for months or years. Want a full guide on affiliate marketing? Comment affiliate, and I'll create a step-by-step walkthrough for you. Here's the thing. Earning passive income is one thing, but keeping it is another. That's where taxes come in. Enter TurboTax, H&R Block, and Keeper Tax. If you sell digital products, earn affiliate commissions, or invest in stocks, you're self-employed or earning investment income. And that means tax complexity. TurboTax and H&R Block offer powerful DIY tools with built-in AI that help you claim every deduction. Keeper Tax takes it further. It automatically tracks write-offs for freelancers and side hustlers by linking to your accounts. It scans for deductions, so you can save money without spreadsheets. Some common passive income deductions include hosting fees for your website, subscription to tools like ConvertKit or Teachable, equipment for creating YouTube content, home office percentage if you're managing content or rentals. Are you claiming all your deductions? If you're not sure, check out Keeper Tax in the description. Many users save over $1,000 per year in taxes. Let's bring it all together. Passive income builds slowly at first, then accelerates. It's like pushing a snowball downhill. At the start, it's small. But as you layer multiple streams, investing, digital products, affiliate marketing, REITs, it grows exponentially. Picture this. On a weekly basis, you're earning $10 from dividends, $50 from affiliate links, $100 from digital product sales. Now you've got $160 rolling in every week. And what happens when you reinvest those earnings into stocks, real estate, or marketing? The snowball grows faster. This is how you achieve true financial freedom. Not by grinding 80-hour weeks, but by working smart, automating your money, and building systems that don't sleep, even when you do. So here's your challenge. Pick one strategy from this video and take action today. Open a high-yield account with Chime or SoFi. Start a recurring investment on Robinhood or Fidelity. Outline your first digital product. Sign up for Keeper Tax and start tracking deductions. Drop a comment below. Which passive income stream are you starting first? I read every comment, and I'll reply with tips tailored to you. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more financial freedom content every week. And don't forget to check the description for tools and referral bonuses from Chime, SoFi, Fidelity, Robinhood, TurboTax, H&R Block, and KeeperTax. Get started with free money today. Thanks for watching. Sleep well, your money's working for you now.